This is Sandersdorf, Brehna. In 2020, an impressive high-tech factory was built here in which environmentally friendly corrugated paper is produced. With an annual capacity of 750,000 tons of paper, the building is exposed to extreme mechanical and chemical loads. During the production process, strong temperature fluctuations and high humidity have adverse effects on the building. Together with mechanical damage, this leads to cracks in the concrete columns and beams, which are now being repaired by our team with Köster Betomor Multi-A. Our universal mortar combines an anti-corrosion coating, bonding agent, coarse mortar, and smooth finish in one product. It is highly mechanically and chemically resistant and is suitable for use where conventional mortars are not. The chloride-free universal mortar combines several technologies in one product and acts as a non-shrinking, quick-hardening repair mortar for concrete and masonry. On the construction site in Sandersdorf, Brehna, using our all-rounder is easy for the two skilled workers. First, Köster Betomor Multi-A is mixed with water and applied. The sticky consistency enables easy overhead work and in almost unlimited layer thicknesses. The single application increases productivity on the construction site. After initial setting, the newly filled area is always smoothed or floated towards the edge. Thanks to the integrated corrosion protection, the work is done quickly and easily. In this way, the paper production can continue undisturbed. Our team is satisfied with the result and is looking forward to the next job site.